right, the wind is blowing, so you can't hardly see the flame, but it's there. Oh yeah, yes sir. Look at it. All right, let's see what we got cooking. All right, it's yucca. That's yucca flower from the yucca plant. And that's prickly pear cactus. So yucca plant flower and prickly pear cactus pad. Chopped up and cooking. This thing don't cook real even, so anyway, that's it. You can see it boiling. So I don't cook anything in oil, so I'm letting it kind of simmer in it in the water. That's it. I'm gonna cook that up, and I'm gonna eat it with scrambled eggs. I'm gonna have a free dinner. So I picked the cactus and the yucca flower. I picked it from up there. That's my neighbor's, back in my neighbor's back pasture. I picked it from there and got me some eggs from his chickens. He's got free range chickens that actually free range in the same pasture that I got the yucca flower and the cactus. So I will be eating a free dinner. It'll be eggs and yucca flower and cactus. Now I'm gonna cook it, simmer it like this, let the water dissipate, and then kind of brown it. I don't cook with oil, so it's kind of hard, but that's it. Cooking it up. You can eat both of these raw. But I'm like I said, I'm gonna boil. I can't video the whole thing, but I'm gonna boil or simmer these, get them good and cooked, and then I'll brown them a little bit if I can, and then I'll cook up some eggs, and then I'll do a video of my plate. Look at that flame. That's from two sticks of oak. 2 sticks of oak in there. See, in the air, let me show you. The air, I've got a video on this rocket stove, a couple of them. The air flows in through up under here. Then I have that metal, piece of metal that the wood rests on. That's it, friend. All right. Cooking it up. Hey, don't try this at home. No, sir. I'm a professional idiot, so. Anyway. Yucca flower. Prickly pear cactus pad. And then I'll cook up some eggs. And it'll all be from the same pasture. Free range eggs. I get them for free. Everything come out of the pasture up there, so. Hey, and both of these cooked. Both of them raw are good. Both of them cooked are very good. I wish I would have caught some fish. I wish I should have went and caught some fish and cooked it, but it's too busy. Anyway, we will see you on the next one. And the next one will be my plate of food. All right, we'll see you.